I'm gonna try to redo this dip, I think. Not sure that's better. I don't mind this side. There are some cool parts in this, but I don't think I'll be doing a lot of other dips. Like, I prefer to put a canvas underneath and let drips fall on it and then tilt that, because I get more individual colors instead of it being sort of blurred together. So this corner is the best corner for sure. So in my opinion, dips don't really work. If you think they do, let me know in the comments, and if you have any videos of a cool dip idea, and I'm talking about like dipping into your drips of paint, like, because I know you could layer paints down and dip a canvas or a piece of paper, and that would probably be cool, and you could separate the colors better. But what I mean is just having your leftover paint and then trying to dip and turn it into something. But still, if you've had success with that, let me know, and otherwise I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.